Another dash cam video headed through the canyon from Salida to Canyon City. This is during the daytime though. I missed the first half of it last time I took a video. It was at sunset and dark at the end. That was last year. So here we go. This is a real treat. This canyon is so beautiful with the Arkansas River flowing through it. I remember last year going through it. It was really had an effect on me. And hopefully we'll see some bighorn sheep. Wouldn't that be nice? Say the driving time is about an hour and 8 minutes from Salida to Canyon City. This video will probably be about 20 some minutes. So I got to see some wonderful things along this adventure that I've been on for the last week or two. Make sure you check out those other videos going up and down Cottonwood Pass and then going down Monarch Pass. I uploaded those already. And I also did some videos on the city of Buena Vista. And some backwoods country videos up in the mountains. Oh, and I'm going to be doing one on Crested Butte. I took some photos from Crested Butte, so I'll be putting that together in the next couple days. Rocks and stuff. I was on a walk and I walked by one of these kind of formations and a piece fell and landed just behind me. I was a little unnerved. It took me a few minutes to get over that. You really never know when one of these rocks are going to come down. Imagine if there's an earthquake. Oh boy, is this getting the water too? No, it's not. Left is the river, and you're not seeing it as much as I am. Wellsville. So my total driving time coming home today is probably going to be about 2 hours and 15 minutes. But I will be making a few stops along the way. Not many, but a few. that guy started swerving into my lane. What I still haven't done in Colorado that is on my list of things to do. I mean, I did want to see the Blue Mesa, but the bridge is out and they're rebuilding it, so I wasn't able to go there. Then Aspen and Vale, Hanging Lake, Maroon Bells, and Ouray Telluride area. Everybody's going the opposite direction today. Kind of like that, actually. Not a whole lot of cars going my way. Swissvale. I was disappointed that I didn't get a bear on camera in a mountain lion. I was especially trying hard on that. And there were sightings. Other people had seen them. I heard them all around me. Saw bear tracks right next to my campsite. That's a good view. Maybe I should stop. No. There are some better viewpoints along this canyon. That isn't bad. Slow down to what? What speed limit? Whoa. I'm saying 30? That's fairly tight. Boy, I sure wish I could get this angled that way. Let's see the river more. That was a really nice view of the river. So I guess the way I'm going to end up having to see the Great Sand Dunes and Ouray and Telluride is just make a 3-hour beeline south and then start seeing things. Just take I-25 straight south for a few hours. I would like to do a couple longer trips. I mean, as an adult, I've never seen the Grand Canyon. When I was a a kid, a little kid. I did, about 4 years old. I've never been to Vegas. Or Bryce Canyon, Zion National Park. Never been to Yellowstone. Or Yosemite. See them and take you along for the ride. I had originally planned to take some photos of Salida and do a video on that town. But I didn't turn where I was supposed to, so I just kept going. Sure is a beautiful view. It's a little more like it looks to me now. Sure, but I'm wondering if these are the Mosquito Mountains on my right. I don't know what the one to the left is. I'm actually a little surprised there are more ski resorts. That mountain right there, if it had enough snow, would be about a 4-mile long trail. Oh no, don't tell me. Oh no. Construction stopping. There's a hawk up above though. To the left of that trailer. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video.